zero sales. This affiliate marketing stuff is eating my wallet alive.
I made 10K in a single week selling affiliate products using Facebook ads. I'm going to reveal to you the entire system, the entire way that I did it right here on this video. I'm not going to hold anything back. I'm not going to gatekeep. I'm just going to explain to you step by step exactly how I did it. Now, just for a little bit of proof, this is the exact affiliate program that I was selling at that time. It's called Passion Over Profits. A friend of mine who sells this program. I think it's a great program teaching affiliate marketing, mentorship, stuff like that. Good stuff. Now, you can see some of my wins here. They're actually posting and talking about me. This is in August. That was a $6,500. I don't know if it was a week or a month. I think it was a week. Okay. I was pretty easily, there's 7,200 in 1 week. I was pretty easily making 10K a month with this a few months ago at the time of this recording. The reason that I had stopped doing it, you can see November, so I was pretty much crushing it, okay, doing really well with this. I'm going to reveal to you in just a second exactly how I did it. And you can see dating all the way back through July, August. There's a few more wins there. And of course, they're going to cherry pick and talk about my best days or my best weeks. It's not always like this. Doing paid ads is not linear. You guys know that, or you should know that. It's a little bit of up and down, but generally I'm making, 10, 15K a month, mostly profit doing this system. I'm going to break it down for you, but I just wanted to show you some proof. And the reason I stopped doing this, in case you're wondering, is because a few months ago I also decided on working with businesses exclusively, helping them with paid ads, helping them with AI and automation. And the thing about working B2B and working with other businesses and stuff is that if they see that you're from the biz op world, like affiliate marketing, like anything like that, they're kind of turned off by it. So I just tried to remove like all semblance of anything with myself with affiliate marketing. I distanced myself from it so that I could book more businesses to help, and then they pay me and stuff like that. But I don't care anymore because I'm not exclusively working with businesses like I was before. So I'm here to just give you guys the sauce and explain to you exactly how I did this. All right, let's jump right into this. Before I explain exactly how it works, I need to first kind of break down for you exactly what the problems are when you're listening to some of these other gurus, especially the clickbank gurus. They're the worst. And they talk to you about doing Facebook ads with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to break down for you exactly how most people waste money doing this stuff, including myself. And it's really, really hard. And just the way that they talk about it is just completely stupid and just dumb. All right. So let me break it down for you. What they talk about is that you get leads, right? You get clicks. Let's call this a click on your ad over to what they call a bridge page. Okay. A bridge page. I'll explain this in a minute if you're a completely new beginner. Over to an affiliate product or offer, right? Usually this is like a ClickBank product. I hate ClickBank, but that's a conversation for another day, right? So this is typically what they teach, and there's a lot of forms that this comes in. Some people say, oh, do YouTube ads, do Facebook ads, do all Pinterest ads, all this stuff. It's not the ads, it's this structure, okay? So let me first break it down by throwing poop at this page right here. Anyone who's ever used this or built this kind of a page, a bridge page is basically this. It is a bridge, right? It's just a page that just sits there like a web page, and when your user, your leads, click on the ad, this is the first page that they see. And it's usually absolutely stupid. And it's basically just, hey, you clicked on the ad, good for you, and then go click over here and check out this product. So it's just an extra step that's completely meaningless in the process. And here's what happens with this. Even if people are interested in your product or whatever, usually, this is like a healthy number. Even the gurus will tell you this, and I can name a few, but I got in trouble before for naming a few. They'll tell you, oh, like a healthy amount of people that get to your bridge page and go over to the next page, which is the actual affiliate product that you're selling. Oh, it's about 20 to 40%. So wait a minute. You mean to tell me that from this page, I'm going to lose anywhere from 80% to 60%, or, probably did it the other way around. But you get what I'm saying. I'm going to lose most of the people, right, that actually clicked on my ad. And you know what that translates to? Losing money. This is absolutely just, I wanted to say the R word there, but I might get flagged. It's just stupid, okay? It's really, really dumb. I don't understand, right? And I promise you, I did this stuff, right? I tried. I really tried. I bought all those courses, probably the same ones you're seeing all over the place. I've been kicked out of a few because I voiced my opinion. And I'm like, what's going on here? I'm losing most of my money straight from this first page, and you're telling me that this is the way to do it. Well, their logic goes like this. The reason that they do this is because there's such a thing as Facebook, the Facebook gods. Okay, let's call them the Facebook gods. The Facebook gods do not like you running paid ads straight to an affiliate product. They don't like it, okay? They have all these bots and these computers and stuff in place that can basically figure out if you're sending people straight to an affiliate product, and that's a no-no, okay? That's not good. So they invented this thing called the bridge page. Say, oh, well, you just need to build your own page, and then people will go there first, and then they'll go over to the affiliate product, which is actually, that's fine for what it was intended for, and there was probably a time where it worked okay, but Facebook ad cost and Google ad cost, all these ad platforms, their ad costs have skyrocketed. I don't know if you've noticed if you've run ads for a while, but they are not 10 cents like they used to be back in the day. So you cannot afford to have this bridge page in the way, basically stealing money from you. This is a horrible idea. So I don't care who it is, how big their YouTube channel is, or anything like that. They're telling you to do this. They're basically making money off their own course right now. This does not work anymore. Okay, they are either lying or they just got their head up their ass and they haven't done this in a while. I'm in the field, as you just saw, doing this every single day. Excuse me, every single day. So I'm not just, some guru that only sells my own stuff. I do sell affiliate products, and I know exactly how to do it the correct way without losing a crap ton of money, all right? All right, so let's now get into what you came for, the solution. Great, Joel. So how the hell do we solve this problem? The reason that this didn't work before, for many, many reasons, as you saw, but one of the other things is that I hear people all the time, and I get on calls with people all the time, and they tell me, well, I bought that other course, I followed what that guru was saying, and I get a bunch of clicks, all right? You get a bunch of clicks, and then people go over to this bridge page, or at least it used to be a bridge page before you met me, okay? They go over here, and most people are just looky-loos, and they go over to the affiliate product so they can see inside of ClickBank or inside of whatever network they're promoting products on, they can see, oh, people looked at it, but they didn't buy it, right? They looked at it, they didn't buy it. They looked at it, they didn't buy it. Well, let me tell you a little bit of background about how Facebook works. Facebook doesn't actually care if you get sales or not. I know that's like mind-blowing, right? It's like, Facebook doesn't care about me. Oh my God. No, they don't care. Okay. They don't give two shits. I'm just here to tell you, they don't care, okay? They care that they take your money. That's all they care about. Facebook is only loyal to Facebook. They are not loyal to you. They don't care if you make any sales, if you make a profit. They don't care. They care that you keep coming back and spending more money on ads. So that being said, because of that, if you're telling them, hey, I'm running some ads here, at the very least, their only job is to get you these clicks, right? So the more that people click on your ad, the more likely it is for Facebook to show your ad to more people that click on your ad more often. Okay. Yes, there is some setups over here where you can do all this complicated tracking software and all this stuff on who's buying your affiliate products, and you can kind of fix that, but it honestly, it's absolutely stupid, and it's one of the dumber ways to actually do your affiliate campaign. If I can actually erase this. But it's one of the dumber ways to do it, because a lot of times this affiliate product, right, it might be like $100 or more. It takes a long time to get a buyer through that. So here's what I propose and what I do instead. Instead, right here, I do what's called a tiny offer. Okay, we're going to call this a tiny offer page. Okay, that's what we call it inside of my inner circle. The tiny offer page is not the same as a bridge page. Why? Because they are here to buy something now. Okay, now, not, hey, here's a random bridge page that's just gonna suck and siphon off all of my money that I'm spending. Instead, we want people to turn into a buyer immediately. So we do this by employing anywhere from like a $1 to a $27 offer. Okay, we call it a tiny offer. Very simple offer, very easy offer to create. Literally takes like 10, 15 minutes to make this offer, because it's usually just like a PDF an infograph, a small ebook or something like that. It just needs to solve a specific problem. And now with AI, you can actually build like micro SaaS, like so many little fun tools that you can create, little pieces of digital products you can create to sell this tiny offer. And then on top of that, we have these things called bumps or order bumps. Okay. So an order bump, you've seen these on these little checkout pages, right? You've seen them if you bought anything on the internet, if you've gone to Amazon, you've seen these little bumps. They're basically like, hey, you might also like this. Hey, you're buying this, but you might also like this. And each one of these has their own price. Each one of these might be another $27. One might be $37. One might be even $67, right? So what is the purpose of these bumps is because, again, we're trying to get people straight from the first page to basically pay for these ads. Okay, this is how you do it. Instead of you wasting money over here where we were before, people in, money out, and we see nothing or very little. Instead, right up front, we're making either a very tiny profit. Sometimes it can happen, but really my goal is to break even at least. If I can get every dollar that I spend on ads right back in my pocket, then I can run ads forever, right? I can keep scaling this and growing and growing and growing because I'm basically recycling the same dollar over and over and over again, because the main goal is to get people to this affiliate product. That's how I did with Pop, okay? With Pop, the reason that I was getting those 10K, 5K days, like 10K weeks, all that stuff, and most of the time 10K month very easily. The reason that I was getting that is because I spent nothing out of my own pocket to get those sales, nothing at all, okay? Initially I had a little budget, but I get my money right back because of this tiny offer. That's the smart way to do it. You break even. Now, if you're just starting off, I tell all my clients now, typically you'll probably make back 70 to 80% of your budget. Don't expect to be, perfect like me, like amazing like me. I've done this for years and years. And what you'll do is you'll silently tweak this in the background, okay? In the background, you'll look at maybe your order bump number one, that's $27. I noticed that people take it about 60% of the time, and there is software that can track this stuff. Okay, great. So that means a lot of people take it, but maybe I'm not charging enough money to be able to break even. So you just bump it, maybe $10 more, $37 instead. That's it. You just make silent little tweaks on this page, and that way you're breaking even on your ad spend. Now, here is the silent killer right here. Here is where things really turn up, and you can scale this to the moon, is that now that we are actually bringing in buyers and not just looky-loos, not just window shoppers, not just, hey, that ad looks kind of cool, let me click it and waste Facebook's money and waste your money, waste your time, waste all this stuff. Instead, these people are paying us up front. And so we're also training Facebook and saying, hey, the people that are clicking on this ad are actually buying stuff. Find more people like this. That is way better. And then long term, because we have their information, remember they bought something, so we usually have their email at least, we can send now email automated follow-ups to them. So over time, they'll get an email every other day or every day sometimes, and they'll be pushed either to this affiliate product, right, which is what I did initially and what I recommend everyone does initially. And over time, if they keep saying no to this product, we might have some, where'd it go here? We might have some down sells, okay? So we push them down to maybe a cheaper product here, but this is where we make our profit. All the profit is over here. So that's the reason that I was able to pretty easily make 10. When people come to me like, oh my God, 10K a month, it's so hard. It's really not. I hope you guys can see the math here. I always tell my clients, math, not emotions. We don't do this shit with emotions and say rah, rah, and like believe in yourself and all that. That's for people that are like posting on, TikTok all day long and hoping and praying. I'm not against organic marketing. I'm building out my IG page now. I love doing YouTube, and it's a nice buffer. It's a nice filter to actually show people that you know what you're talking about. That's what I do with you guys all the time. But I love ads because of the speed and the predictability that it brings. The reason that I can bring in 10, 15, 20K a month pretty predictably is that I just map this out. I run with the plan. I do the math ahead of time. I run it. Obviously, there's some testing involved. So you keep on running it until the numbers work out in your favor. My favorite number is break even 100% on the front. Every dollar I spend, dollar back in my pocket. That means that everything after that is all profit. So that's it. There's no big secret to this stuff. There's no, oh my God, all the gurus have this big secret. I don't know what other gurus are doing, but this is what I've done for years now. It works predictably. It's a sustainable way to build your business. If you have time to build an organic following as well, I recommend 100% do that, because a lot of times people will click my ads, they'll see my stuff, and then they'll go, oh, let me not buy right now. Let me go check out his YouTube channel and see if he's legit. Well, hello, I'm here. I'm legit, right? So now they'll go back and probably buy my stuff because they say that guy seems like he knows what he's talking about. Now, another thing that's really good about this is if you want to run your business completely faceless and anonymous, this is what I recommend to my clients. If they have a small budget to start off with, just do this, because honestly, you can do this with AI influencers. You can do this with so many different things now. Instead of being on camera, producing the ads yourself, which does take some time later on, especially as you're growing, you can actually have AI produce all the ads for you. So this is not a difficult process. As you can see, it's very simple. I call it, instead of a bridge page, the tiny offer page. Inside of my inner circle, I not only teach this, but I give you the tools to build it yourself, either with AI, or you can actually copy and paste a few of my own offers that have worked in the past and use them as your own. I don't have any commission structure or anything like that. You can just white label them and use them yourself. You can even change them and swap them out if you want. So if you want to talk a little bit about joining my inner circle and building a system out like this for you, maybe you've tried some of these other guru programs that are like, build this stupid bridge page and all these other dumb things. Don't do that, okay? Don't do it. They haven't been in the field. I promise you, for years and years, they've sold their course. That's the only thing they know. I've been doing this, so I've mastered this art right here. This is a whole different system. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.